Hey guys, my name is Mia and I'm going to show you a video of my airplane collection, helicopter collection and tank collection. So you can already see I have them in order. Like America. Then the Spitfire, of course that's from English. You see Typhoon already. Fourth, no that's... Anyway, that's German. Over there is a Messerschmitt, Russian, and the last French. Only the Mirage there. So I'll just tell you each name of the airplane, helicopter, and what I'm gonna build for the next part of this video. So you can already see that we have the A-10 American airplane. It's built 1994. It's pretty good. It has a minigun right over here. Minigun has excellent missiles. I really love it. My second, actually I'll just show you that last. We have over here the Apache. Well, it's American helicopter. You can already see by that. And third, we have the Cobra. Still American helicopter, but I really don't know why is the flag of Israel over here. Anyway, the F-111. That's a bomber. It flies really low, and I really like that airplane. Next one, F-16 or F-15, I can't remember. I think it's F-15 Eagle. That's what it says. The handle is broken from the airplane, so I didn't put the handle there. You can already see it. And the last for, B-29. B-29. I have to still build that. And the F-51D Mustang. I have to build that too. Actually, it's pretty cool. And for the final thing, I build the P-51 American. It's actually really good airplane. That's one of my first good looking airplanes. Well, really, it's there's a fuel tanks, propeller. I just built that with my dad. My dad helped me with the coloring over here, the brown bit, and my mum stuck the decals on, so you can really see there was a really lot of time to build this airplane over here. Let's go on to the Spitfire. Okay, over here. Let's see, just wait. You already see that's a helicopter, English helicopter, Westland. I'm not so sure it's from the United Kingdom or it's American. I'm really not too sure. Second one, Spitfire. I made that with my dad and with my mum. Mum stuck the decals on. Hurricane, mum stuck the decals on. And finally Typhoon. Mum stuck the decals on. I did all that job. Okay, dad helped me a little bit to glue it on, to glue the rockets, and there you go. But on the Hurricane, you can already see there's bombs. Okay, I'm not too sure if you can see. Can you see? Okay, anyway, and here is the Jaguar. That's airplane 2. Bought it. Ooh, and finally, but it's not last, my tank. English tank. My dad had that when he was little. It's a pretty cool tank. Here, I'll show you how it works. First, pull the cannon there, all the way inside, okay. And then, see this red button? Bang! It's pretty cool. And then, over here we have the Westland Wessex, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's go on to the German airplanes. Over here we have the Messerschmitt. Over here we have some. Okay, let me just move out of my face. Over here we have some airplane. I'm not too sure what its name. And over here we have the Leopard tank. Tank Leopard. It's a really cool tank. It's a German tank. And you can see already at the little mini person. Yeah. Has an MG, machine gun MG. There you go. Okay. And here we go. Oh yeah, and I have to build a Typhoon too. That's gonna be English too. Anyway, we're going on the Russians. Of course, you know that is a MiG-29. It's a Russian airplane. The Serbs have it. Actually, I'm already here in Serbia, Belgrade. And I still need to build this one. This airplane over here. It's what is it called? Sovietsky Shturmovik. Oh wait, I don't know how to read Russian and Serbian. And not that much Russian, but same as Serbian. Tank Hunter. Ooh, wow, Tank Hunter. Okay, too sure. If it's a Tank Hunter or Boat Hunter. Really, because there's boats over here. And I'm not too sure if this is a Russian tank or not. I just put it there to make a big collection. And finally, but really, finally, we have the Mirage. Let me just put on the white bed. There you go. Mirage. That's a French airplane. I really did like it. And I bought it. And over here we can see spare rockets, tires, and minigun, I think. I'm not too sure. And I think that is it. Well, thank you for watching, and see part 2. Bye.